What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, heading on over to Speed Zone, as always. The homie Luis, he actually got his car bagged, and it should be done here by the time we get there. So we're gonna go over there, link up with him. I believe the homie Ryan's coming as well. Don't think anybody else is coming, but we'll go ahead and link up. And yeah, so also don't forget, merch link in the description below. Get your Fitted Squad merch, Nissan Times Infinity, or anything else we got on there. We also do custom shirts and masks as well, so definitely hit us up. Alright, just pulling up. Car's not quite ready yet, so we just shooting a little bit right now. Got a new speaker for him. Well, went back to an old speaker, but yeah, always great seeing that here. Haven't seen that one before. Got the wheels back on, I see. Orlando, I see you. I'm about to go in and talk to the guys here in a moment. Yes, sir. Alright. So he's out here. Even though it's on monster truck level right now. He up there, ain't it?
So we had to build a piece of wood. I heard about that. Yeah. It's hard to happen.
Okay. Alright, he's giving a little rundown on the settings. Getting some video for the gram. But yeah, pretty much gonna tell him about the settings they have and set up his ride height and all the good stuff. All about the details. First air out. Sheesh. That back is insane. Like, it is tucking. You see that back? Oh yeah. Front look good too, but that back. Yeah, I think the front needs. Yeah, that's crazy. To do the same. I told you to put it at 0. For example, you're at the mall and you have the car like that. Hold on. Go up to the car so you turn it on.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. I already trimmed it. You already trimmed it. Oh, you got it?
All right. Man. That.
Let's get some shots in the back.
Let me know what you think. Sheesh. That ride height's still pretty good too. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to get some nice photos. Alright, so we're done now. Got the car and everything. We're about to go get something to eat and maybe find a location and get some good shots. Do a little quick impromptu photo shoot. But yeah, looks pretty good. I believe that's the ride height he's gonna go with. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, we about to roll out. Alright, airing out. With beauty of remote start, he don't have to get in that low. It'll just come up. So yeah. Just made a quick stop. I think we about to grab something to eat now. Didn't park here though. But yeah, not sure exactly where we're at. We're in Kissimmee somewhere. I'm gonna get something to eat and then we'll find a spot to take some nice photos. Okay, so we just got to, well, we've been here for a little bit. We're doing some photos here. The area is nice, but we can't get up close enough to the water as we would like. But we got some shots from across the street. Probably gonna line up across the street and get some shots on both angles, see how it looks. But yeah, I'll definitely put links to the homies Instagrams down below, so definitely check them out. They'll have a lot more photos. I'll post some here and there, but follow them for most of the photos. But links will be in the description for all of our Instagrams. But yeah, we're about to get lined up now, so just a moment. Air it out. Alright, so this is the next day. Let me get away from the street because you can probably hear all the car noise. Alright, here we go. Air it out. So we are at Osceola Speed Tires. He just got his alignment done. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Definitely stay tuned. We'll be meeting up again here pretty soon. But like I said, let me know what you guys think and make sure you follow him. There we go. The link will be in the description below, so you don't have to type it in. You can just click on it, it'll go straight to his page. But yeah, homie's looking good. Alright. But yeah, overall, loving look. Oh yeah, that's gets better every time we do a video on it. Yep. Look how quick it is. It's pretty quiet when it goes up too. But of course, when it airs out, like having that sound is perfect.
Yeah, I love that sound. Slow adjusting.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. The motor inside as well.
Yeah.
You want to get a shot of inside?
Yeah, let's take a look at that. Yeah. Okay. And once you get your full setup that you want back here, it's gonna be real sick. You're already pretty clean.
Yeah. What do you think about me powder coating that thing?
I think that'll be dope.
Right?
Yeah. All right. Last time you guys saw this. Nice. So he wasn't too happy with the two-step he did last time, so he said he had to show out this time. Knew he was gonna do something. All right, so here we go. We got the other guy going off. We definitely gotta get the homie. He might not be doing this craziness, but it still sound good. Nice. Alright, Fit Squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Make sure you follow the homies, check them out. They'll be posting a lot of the pictures as well as some more footage that they captured. So definitely check them out. The links to their Instagram will be in the description below. You'll be able to just click on it. It won't be just their name, so definitely go ahead and take a look at that. Also, link to the merch site is going to be in the description below. And make sure you get your mask. We also do custom shirts, masks as well. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. The next video will be a giveaway, so it's going to be for a full underglow kit. Should fit your car as long as you don't have like a limo. It should fit just about everybody's. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.